So hello guys, today I'll tell you how to connect MCPs from your Docker desktop to your app. So first of all, you'll have to download Docker desktop, and for that you can just search for Docker desktop and download Docker desktop for your OS. So once you download Docker desktop and you open it, you will get an interface like this. In this interface, I need you to come to MCP Toolkit, and in this toolkit, go to the marketplace and search for the MCP tool you want. So this is the MCP tool I want. I'll just add it. Now this is added to our server. You could add n number of MCP tool you want, and all of them will come under one server called Docker MCP. So we'll go to clients, and under clients is where we have to connect our apps. So I would like to connect it with Cursor and Claude desktop. So I'll just click on connect, and now it has been connected. If you add another server, I'm adding Perplexity here. And if you come back and check in your MCP Docker, you can see there are all these tools from all these different MCPs, but right now we can't see Perplexity. We can only see it once we restart. So we'll close Claude and we'll open it again. Now when you open, you can also see Perplexity, Ask, Reason and Research. So that is because we added Perplexity under our Docker. Now I'll go to YouTube and pick this video and ask Claude to transcribe it. So first we'll try without the MCP Docker. Let's see if Claude could do it by itself or not. So as you can see, it couldn't directly transcribe. It just can't do it. Now let's just turn on the MCP Docker, and we already have an YouTube transcript server added. So we'll send this prompt and see if it comes back with an answer or not. And the MCP server has come back with the video, and this is exactly the video I asked it to summarize, and it has given me a perfect summarization of the video. Now let's go to Cursor and try the same. I'm in the free version, so I'll just select auto. Yeah. Now I'll ask it to transcribe. It has already called the MCP server and it's getting the correct video, as you can see here. Even Cursor has come back with the right video, but of course Claude model is better, so the summary is also better. As you can see, the MCPs are working definitely. This was a small example on what you could do. You could connect a lot more clients. You could connect with Gemini CLI, LM Studio, Visual Studio, and all that. And there are 223 servers right now which you can directly use. This is a huge Play Store for MCP servers. All you have to do is just one click and it will come up. So there's a small explanation behind this. All of this shows under Docker MCP. And what Docker does is every time one tool is called, for example, get video info tool was called, and for the separate tool, a different container is spin up. And when the purpose of the tool is finished, the container is spin down. So this way it's very secure, and not only that, it's very efficient on your computer. So that is it, guys. That's how you install MCP servers with just one click using Docker desktop. I hope you enjoy the video. Make sure you subscribe because I keep posting a lot of value videos in my channel. See you in the next video.